Yeah, I have my YouTube channel.
I'll subscribe.
Alright, give me your phone. Yeah, so I'm making this vlog. Ooh, I'm getting a new subscriber! I saw you listening to J. Cole earlier.
Oh, yes.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hey.
Mark, yeah. Trust me. You see the rain out there. I forgot my umbrella again. Subscribe there. Alright, thanks very much. Alright. Gingerbread jelly bean, yeah. So you see the rain out there, trust me. Leave my umbrella again. So I don't know how I'm gonna manage that one there, but yeah. As you can see, I just get a subscriber from school, so that's good. So there and take me I go through bag of problem. And I'm scared. I can't manage the rain. We can't manage the rain like. But buy the umbrella. Remember the vlog that I made about the umbrella, right? I have that vlog there about the umbrella pretty much. And then I didn't carry it. I know it's raining and I can't go there in the rain. So I don't know how that one here gonna turn out pretty much. But yeah, I hope the lighting here good. I see my face black already and things. Oh yeah, pretty much. As you can see. What's up? Alright, so he's going to be on the vlog pretty much.
Oh, what's up, vlog?
So he's going to be on the vlog.
Vlogging out here.
Yeah, so pretty much I'm at school.
IRC.
So the cool people at college here, IRC, you know, they can check it out on the website. But yeah, hope you enjoy the vlog and thing. Later people, I'm out. Hey peeps, so just come back and think. Yeah, something wrong with my video earlier. I made that video earlier. I don't know how to put it. I try to catch as much light as possible because you can see over that side cloud and then you have the light over there. So yeah, so I'm gonna try catch it because I know my complexion still with the light already. If you don't have enough light, then it dark, your skin does black. I understand, so I have to make sure I catch a light, get enough light and things. So yeah, earlier I come and I drive the car and come and I realize the person I drive splash up the next person's car. Alright? I'm look and I'm laugh as me I say, wait. Remember when me there at Jamaican and thing and me there I have one road. Remember the people them normally splash you up like for no reason at all. The people them just splash you up. So they come to mind and I say it's funny. So my question is, I ask people like, I want to say I walk foot, because I walk foot same, you know, although I do a little driving here and there every now and again. You understand? Why not always splash the people in? I don't understand. I don't need to ask. Why not always splash the people in? I see the people walking those, see the puddle of water. Is it fun for us drive and splash the people in? And then back in Jamaica, when you have kids that walk on the road that come from school and them uniform and them shoes that wet up, them mad. So them take up big stone and you know say anybody splashing up, them mash up people them carry down too. But you know, apart from that, what they see me and thing, I'm kinda upset about earlier clip I make. I don't know what happened, but I make a clip earlier and something happened to the video. I don't know what happened to the video. Probably the phone didn't want to restart or something. But, selfie stick. Yeah, so I don't know what happened to it, so I kinda catch the evening. To be honest, right now is 6 minutes after 7. And it not even, it just barely dark. Because they have the cloud cover, that's why you have the rain clouds and stuff. Now I'm in Jamaica right now. Sun gone down from about 5, 6 to the place dark up already. So I catch little lighting, but yeah. But you know, I kinda know feel comfortable vlogging in public. That much. I'm a shy person if you never know, so like vlogging in the public, it kinda feel weird because everybody will look on you and you have a selfie stick in your hand and a camera and people think you go crazy, so you know they tend to just find it weird. But I get used to it and thing. So you know, I hope it not come across as me being nervous or anything like that. But hope you tune in and like the vlogs and everything like that. Hope you enjoy it. We don't know how them people that stop behind and probably is a drive-by. We don't know if it's a drive-by still, so we don't have to watch for back right now. Guys, if it's a drive-by, you know, I get shot in my back in there, understand? So we don't have to watch my back, you see me? I may get shot, we don't have to make sure so I get shot in the left part. You understand? Because my right side are the best part, you understand? But yeah, they can't drive off, so and I drive by fast along. But yeah. So again, I get used to it. So I hope you like recent vlogs and stuff because I made improvement on them and stuff like that. So I hope you like it. Keep subscribing. See me get a subscriber school earlier. Two subscribers school earlier, yeah. So the thing turn up. You understand? Turn up and things. So the video about the here what I tell you in a previous vlog I said the video about the Amazon Fire streaming box. Here what I could do? I want it to look more professional, so I go wait a bit before I actually release. I make that over before I actually release it. I want it better so I can actually see. At the camera, you know, the camera is the problem because I don't have a digital camera. I use my phone, so you know the reflection of the screen to the camera kind of bad. So I'm not getting the right shot. I want to show on it and stuff, the fluidity when changing the channel and stuff like that. I want to see clearly so you can actually see it, because that video they basically are going to help you pay less phone bill. Just go without cable, you know, if I have cable. I know cable is important, but you have alternatives to cable and it's more cheaper, it's more affordable, because you know a lot of people want to enjoy them TV and stuff. Apart from Netflix, people want to watch news and stuff like that, and I know some of the smart TV them have the apps and stuff, but they're not live. So I kind of want to share, you know, the little knowledge of that to my viewers so they can understand it. I still trying to work on some collabs. I'm trying to work on some collaboration for the mini clips. I know you people enjoy the mini clips. I get a lot of views on the mini clips. I want to keep that going and stuff like that. So I just need to put in the work for the mini clip. Cause the vlog is not too hard, you know, you vlog and stuff, but the mini clips take a bit more creativity and you bring across your ideas so people can actually enjoy it, you know, being creative and all. So look out for those. I'm still working on them. Don't think that, you know, I'm not working on it and stuff. I'm not a comedian per se. I give people joke, but you know, it's building. But you know, again, sun is going down now. People are passing shy. So thanks for watching again. Remember, if you're not subscribed already, like, subscribe and share. Get to know family and friend for you like it. Get to know family and friend who watch the vlogs. Yeah. So pick me in my look on me and things, but yeah. So I kinda go end the vlog now and stuff like that. So J Vlogs people, gingerbread jelly bean. Big up. I still find a cooler name for you, but right now I'm gingerbread and jelly bean. So big up on yourself same way. And yeah, just enjoy. Like, subscribe and share. Comment, leave the feedback and everything. Later people, I'm out.